Hello everyone, welcome to Success Musings. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon for notifications. In today's video, we are going to talk about challenges faced by a recruiter on their day-to-day life, in their career. Yes, of course, every professional has their own challenges. But as I worked as a recruiter, I like to talk about the challenges faced by a recruiter. So number one challenge what the recruiter faces all about change in the job description. We as a recruiter would have worked and scheduled lot of interviews, built lot of pipeline, but sometimes it happens that we get a call from our stakeholders and they say they are not looking for skill A and they are looking for skill B. So that they made a decision suddenly when they had a meeting. Yes, definitely this kind of situation happens, which is unavoidable. We as a recruiters have to live with that, and definitely make us to get frustrated to get start our job from the beginning again. I do understand, but we don't have any option for that. Number two is that we have very limited talent pool for niche skill technologies, wherein we really need to do social recruiting. We need to recruit candidates via referral. We also need to do headhunting. We need to do a lot of cold calls. Finding such candidates with niche skills is not an easy job, like hiring a vanilla skill candidate. So sometimes stakeholder ask us to find a unicorn with two head. Yes, those kind of situation may happen. You would have faced it. If you have faced it, please comment below. And these things are possible, but it takes their own time, and we need to convey that and make our stakeholders understand. Things definitely takes their own time. Things happen, but it takes its own time. So we need to make them understand. Number third challenge what a recruiter face is all about renege. So these days renege is one of the key thing what we recruiters have to live with. This market is completely a candidate driven market. Now we have very limited talent pool for every technology and candidates getting multiple offers. So whenever the recruiter calls, sometimes the candidate will pick up the phone and they will say that they are not joining, they got better opportunity. Sometimes we as a recruiter would face candidate not answering our call at all. We don't have an option for that. Yes, sometimes another way around we hear from candidates that they got retained by their current company by matching the counter offer. So definitely yes, we are dealing with external candidates where we don't have any control at all. We have to live with this. This is number third. Number fourth, what the recruiter face is all about feedback challenge. So there are delay in the feedback, which definitely makes the recruiter to lose the candidates. So as a stakeholder, we expect you guys to revert back with the feedback at least in 24 to 48 hours the moment you get the profile. What you are looking for. The recruiters are working round the clock to hunt the profiles for your needs. So we recruiters are just expecting the feedback. Number five is budget. The reason I wrote it very slow is because these days companies expect candidates to join at a very low cost, wherein the market outside is really huge and candidates getting very high package, very competitive salary, and this is completely a candidate driven market as I said earlier. And this current situation will change in some time, but we have to live with what we have now. So these are the challenges what I know according to my opinion I have put across. Thanks so much for watching. If you like it, like the video and hit the share button, share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to hit the support button, that is my subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon for notification. I'll be waiting for your comments below for the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.